What's up, y'all? We back again today on Lizzy's TV, and I'm coming to y'all with something I ain't never tasted before. It's called an Italian hot dog from the Italian hot dog spot down here in New Jersey. So look at that. We about to slam that. Oh, don't y'all want to come and eat some of this? I know y'all do. You got hot dog in there. We got peppers, green peppers and onions in there. Look at that. All that up in there. Yeah. See that? Then they give you these dang on taters. These taters right here, they full of ketchup. They come in a pack already full of ketchup. So, hey, that's it. So, I'm about to get my first reaction on how this tastes. Pick this thing up like this. Just like this. And we're going to take a big old bite. Mm-hmm. Now that there tastes good. Then we got these potatoes. And some more ketchup. I had a hiccup up in there. I don't know where that came from, but here you go. That's good. I like that. It's really good. So for the Italian hot dog spot, I give y'all a thumbs up because that is so good. Okay. Peppers. Them green peppers in there. I know y'all want some. Y'all better go get y'all some if y'all ain't here in New Jersey. Oh, I'm gonna get this hot dog spot a good old 9. Well, the best thing they got going on with this one here is that bread. Because most of us have had hot dogs with onions and bell pepper. But when they create this Italian style, they use this particular bread. That bread is thick. It's like a bun. And it's very thick. And it's good. Just falling all over everywhere. I ain't gonna fall in everywhere except for falling in my mouth. Listen up, y'all. Don't forget what I said now. And I say it in all my videos. Don't forget to come by, like some stuff, and just let me know you came by to see me. That's all. That's all I need from y'all. That's it. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and finish this meal, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.